the only proper way to mop a floor is what?
Get the cake.
Gotta be
Chocolate.
on your
Chocolate.
That's the only way to do a lot of things, huh?
It's the only thing I have.
Hey, Riley. Kylie, are you getting jealous? Riley, watch out, baby.
Do not take a picture of me with my mouth open.
I am. I have the video camera on.
No, you don't.
Now you
I
can
do
just
so.
capture it afterwards.
Riley, do I have the video camera on?
Sadie. She's sneaking around.
Yeah,
Roll
I
it
need
out.
my video back.
I'm taking pictures. Sadie.
He is
Sadie.
good about keeping his hands away from the food, unlike most babies. Most babies will try to grab the spoon and stuff, but I noticed that he's very good about